Today, we're really tearing down one of the biggest myths in online money making. The idea that YouTube is, only for the super patient or people with big budgets or this massive audience already built up.
Right, the long game myth.
Exactly. So what if I told you that you could actually generate a net profit on YouTube, like within a single day?
Okay.
Without needing thousands of subscribers or even any personal branding, just pure profit, maybe even by the end of today. Sounds a bit bold, doesn't it?
It does sound bold, but it's actually rooted in a surprising reality. This isn't some fantasy for 2025.
Okay.
And this deep dive, well, we're going to reveal strategies that really challenge that common idea that YouTube monetization is this slow, long, hard grind.
Yeah, most people think AdSense, right? Ads on videos.
Exactly, and that's what we'll show is actually the slowest way to earn on the platform. So our mission today is really to demystify these multiple low-risk but high-reward paths.
Paths to make money from YouTube the same day you start.
The very same day. We'll cover the tools, the automation tricks, and crucially, the kind of audience psychology that makes it all click.
Okay, let's unpack this. This common idea that earning on YouTube takes years, huge effort, massive audience. That's the standard thinking.
It is. People hear YouTube, they think influencer, viral hits, years of work.
But here's where it gets really interesting. The deep dive insight here is how YouTube works as a search engine, basically.
Intent-based.
Right. And combining that with a specific kind of content creates this whole new path to profit that just bypasses the subscriber grind completely. It's about leveraging immediate intent.
Precisely. Most people think YouTube is about building a brand, building an audience slowly.
Yeah.
But our insight for rapid profit, it's actually about becoming a highly efficient, like a solution delivery system.
A solution delivery system. Okay, explain that.
Yeah, the strategies we'll cover, they zero in on connecting people who have urgent needs directly with solutions, instantly. Wow. And we've pinpointed 3 core ways to do this for immediate profit. First up, affiliate marketing. Think direct sales, fast commissions.
Okay.
Second, digital product sales. That gives you high margins, instant delivery. You own it.
Full control.
Exactly. And third, lead generation, using pay-per-lead models. And these 3, well, they're designed so you can jump straight to profit. Potentially, yes, even today, as soon as that content is out there.
That's incredible, turning a video into income so fast.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with affiliate marketing. Most people kind of know what it is.
Right, the basics are familiar.
But how you leverage it for immediate YouTube profit, that's the real deep dive, isn't it? It's not just slapping a link somewhere.
No, it's very specific. It's about the type of content, the platforms you use for links, and crucially, the payout speed. That's what creates the instant ROI.
So you promote a product, get a unique link from places like Digistore24, ClickBank, Impact, maybe Amazon.
Yep, those are the main players.
And when someone clicks your link and buys, boom, commission. But the kicker is some platforms pay out same day or weekly.
That's the game changer for speed. Some do. So to really accelerate earnings today with affiliate marketing, the steps are quite tactical.
Okay, walk us through it.
You start by picking a high-converting product.
Right.
Think digital courses solving a specific pain point. Maybe software tools or trending gadgets people are already searching for.
High converting meaning people are likely to buy it quickly if they see it.
Exactly. It resonates immediately with someone actively looking for that solution. Then, and this is key for speed, you create a faceless video.
Faceless, so no camera needed.
No camera, no showing your face. You can use text-to-speech for voiceover, make listicles, product comparisons, tutorials using easily available stock footage. It bypasses all that production time.
Wow, okay. That lowers the barrier significantly.
Hugely. Then you upload it. Crucial part. A thumbnail and description designed purely to get clicks. Maximize that click-through rate. And then, the final step for today's profit. Share that video actively. High-traffic Facebook groups, relevant Reddit threads, Pinterest boards. Put your affiliate link right there with the share.
Okay, so let's make that concrete. Like a video titled, Top 3 AI Tools That Save You 20 Hours a Week, free plus paid options.
Perfect example.
And you'd have the affiliate links for those tools right in the description.
Yep.
And the sources suggest even one sale could net you, what, $40 to $200?
In hours.
Within hours, potentially. It really highlights the efficiency, doesn't it?
It absolutely does. What's the cost side look like?
That's the beauty. If we break down the profit model, the cost to produce that video, it can be incredibly low, $0 to maybe $10.
Zero. How?
Using free tools. Canva for graphics, ChatGPT maybe for scripting help, Pexels or Unsplash for free stock video. You automate and use accessible stuff.
Okay, so you're bypassing hours of traditional creation.
Exactly. Which means your return on investment window, your ROI window, can be just like 1 to 6 hours. It's remarkable. Put in maybe $10, get $40 or more back within hours of hitting publish.
That's the potential model, yes.
Okay, so that's leveraging other people's products. Super efficient. But what if you want all the profit? Capture 100% of the value.
Ah, right. That brings us to method 2, selling your own digital products.
This is where you get full control, maybe even higher margins, right? Things like Notion templates, ebooks, handy Excel tools, maybe mini courses.
Exactly. You own the value chain, you own the profit stack. And the steps to earn today are, again, pretty straightforward.
Let's hear them.
You upload a tutorial or maybe a demo video of your product to YouTube. Again, Faceless works great. Use AI voiceover tools, Well Said Labs, 11 Labs. There are many now.
So you can focus just on the value prop, not filming yourself.
Precisely. And for taking money and delivering the product instantly, platforms like Gumroad or PayHip are perfect. They handle all that friction.
Simple setup.
Very. You just post your video, put the link to your Gumroad or PayHip page in the description, or maybe your channel bio. Done.
Okay, give us a compelling example. Like, how would that look?
Sure. Imagine a YouTube short. Quick, punchy. Titled something like, I built a budget tracker that grew my net worth by 43K. Here's a free demo.
Ooh, I like that. Strong claim, clear value.
Right. And bam, the Gumroad link is right there in the description. It's a powerful value-first hook. Creates instant curiosity and demand.
And the profit model here.
Excellent. Cost to produce is still super low, maybe $0 to $15, especially if it's something you already know how to make, like a template or a short ebook.
Right.
Your price could be anywhere from, say, $9 up to $79 or even more. And the incredible part,
What's that?
you only need one sale to be in profit for the day.
Just one. That's powerful.
It really is. And a quick note, those TikTok-style YouTube shorts with demos that look native to the platform, they tend to convert really well under 60 seconds. Quick aha moment, click buy.
That really shows the flexibility. Okay, affiliate, own products. But what if you're not selling directly? What if you're connecting people to like bigger ticket services?
Yeah, that brings us to our third path, lead generation videos. This one's super interesting.
Why is that?
Because businesses are actively, sometimes desperately, looking for qualified leads, and they will pay you for them.
So you get paid per lead, not per sale.
Per qualified lead or sometimes per action, yeah. Not just per final sale. And you don't even need to own the final offer. You can use affiliate networks focused on leads, like PartnerStack or maybe Fiverr Affiliate.
Okay, how does that work in practice?
Well, you create explainer-style videos. Again, often Faceless is fine. For high-ticket niches, think real estate, financial coaching, credit repair.
Areas where a single customer is worth a lot to the business.
Exactly. So the cost per lead, what they're willing to pay, is high. That makes them happy to pay you for making that connection.
So how do you earn today with this?
Okay, step 1. Choose a niche where leads are valuable. Solar panel installation, debt consolidation, maybe local services like plumbing if you target geographically.
Got it. High-value leads.
Then make another Faceless video. Explain a solution to a common pain point in that niche. Add a very clear call to action. Click the link below to get a free quote or whatever with your unique tracking link.
And share it where people are looking.
Share it where people are actively searching for that solution. Could be YouTube search itself, forums, relevant groups again.
Okay, an example.
Sure, a video titled, say, How to Repair Your Credit Score in 2025, step by step.
Okay.
And the link in the description goes to a credit repair affiliate program that pays you maybe $15 to $50 just for sending them a qualified lead who fills out a form.
Wow. So you're essentially getting paid just for connecting someone who needs help with a service that can provide it.
Precisely. You're bridging that gap efficiently. And the profit model, again, remarkably lean.
How lean?
Cost to create, maybe $0 to $5. Again, using free tools, stock footage, AI voice, maybe earnings per lead, $10 to $50, maybe more in some niches. And the ROI window, pretty much immediate once you get targeted traffic clicking that link.
Okay, affiliate, digital products, lead gen. The potential profit is clear across all three. But the elephant in the room for most people listening is probably, how do you get seen?
Right. Without subscribers, how does anyone find this video you just made?
Yeah, that feels like the magic trick. How do you get eyeballs fast?
Okay. This is where your thumbnails and titles shift from being just like nice-to-haves to being your entire rapid profit marketing strategy.
They become absolutely critical.
They are everything for that initial click from a cold viewer. For immediate profit, your thumbnail isn't just a preview picture, it's a micro ad.
Okay.
It has to trust instant curiosity, maybe a bit of FOMO, fear of missing out, or just a strong, wait, what is this reaction? It has to stop the scroll.
And the title.
The title isn't just describing the video, it's a direct sales headline. It needs elements like urgency, today, now, money, $500 profit, clear value, save 20 hours, or that secret revealed kind of language.
Gotcha. I love some of the examples from the source material. Titles like 3 YouTube hustles that made me $500 today.
Punchy, right? Yes.
Or no subscribers, no face, just profit. How I did it in 6 hours. That is all the pain point.
Exactly. Or even, this $0 side hustle made me more than my day job proof. They create intrigue and promise a specific outcome. They demand attention.
They really do.
And then, to maximize the chance of getting seen quickly, you pair these killer titles and thumbnails with relevant hashtags.
The hashtags.
Yeah, don't sleep on these. Things like hashtag make money online, hashtag passive income, hashtag YouTube money. Maybe niche-specific ones, too. They act as signals to the YouTube algorithm.
Helping it show your video to the right people in shorts feeds or search.
Precisely. It helps connect your content with people already looking for those solutions.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, you mentioned sharing actively, but there was also a bonus strategy, right? A growth hack involving shorts and Facebook groups.
Yes. This is a powerful combo for driving instant traffic, really cutting through the noise.
Tell me more about this synergy.
Okay, so it works like this. You upload your YouTube shorts, making sure they have a clear call to action link, either in the description or maybe a pinned comment.
Right.
Then you take that short video and you actively share it directly into highly targeted Facebook groups, places where your ideal audience already gathers.
So like that budget tracker example.
You'd share it in groups like Moms Who Budget or Personal Finance Tips for Millennials or whatever fits.
Okay.
And when you post in the group, you don't just drop the link. You write a little hook, something to grab attention in the feed, then your YouTube link, and often your direct affiliate or product link too, if the group rules allow.
Why is this combo so effective?
Several reasons. 1, shorts autoplay in many feeds, grabbing attention fast. 2, Facebook groups are pre-built, targeted communities. You know people that are interested.
Less guesswork.
Way less. And 3, it drives traffic instantly. You're not waiting for the YouTube algorithm to maybe find you someday. You are actively bringing the relevant audience to your content right now.
That's proactive. I like it. Okay, so let's tie this all together. What could this actually look like for someone listening, on a practical timeline? Walk us through a potential profit today roadmap.
Absolutely. Let's paint a picture. Imagine you decide, okay, I'm doing this today.
8-day reserve him. Coffee in hand.
Exactly. 8:00 a.m. You choose your affiliate offer or maybe outline your simple digital product idea.
Okay.
9:00 a.m. You're scripting, maybe using AI help generating that AI voiceover, gathering your free stock footage.
And the assets together.
Yep. 10:30 a.m. Quick edit session, using something user-friendly like Canva or CapCut on your phone or computer, keeping it simple and clean.
Nice.
12:00 p.m. Upload to YouTube. Craft that killer, SEO-friendly title and description we talked about. Choose or make that eye-catching thumbnail.
Upload complete. Now what?
Now the push. 1:00 p.m., active sharing time. Post your video link, maybe with that hook, into, say, 5 relevant Facebook groups, 3 specific subreddits, maybe 2 niche online forums you know.
Strategic distribution.
Precisely. And then you watch. Maybe around 2:30 p.m., you see your first notification. First click, first affiliate sale. Could be, let's estimate, $40 profit.
Wow. Okay. The first domino fall.
Exactly. Then maybe later, 5:30 p.m., ding,
Yeah.
another notification, someone bought your digital product, another $79 perhaps.
Nice. 2 different streams.
And then maybe by 7:00 p.m., checking your lead gen dashboard, 3 qualified leads came through from that credit repair video. That could be another $90 estimated.
Okay, let's add that up. $40 plus $79 plus $90.
If you tally that theoretical but very possible day, that's $209 in total profit.
$209 profit in one day, starting from scratch.
Starting pretty much from scratch, yes. It clearly demonstrates earning a profit on YouTube within a day isn't some fantasy. It's achievable.
It's about the strategy.
It's about working smart, automating the easy stuff, and focusing on the right monetization model for speed, not just chasing subscriber numbers.
Right.
The core idea really is value-first content with a clear ROI. You teach something people urgently need, you connect them directly to a solution, and you get paid for facilitating that connection.
And what's really fascinating, I think, is that once you make that first dollar, that first profit,
Proof of concept.
yeah, you've not just earned money, you've proven the entire model works. You validated the process.
Absolutely. And you've done it with just potentially your phone, some free online tools, and your own resourcefulness.
It's like you've built this little income-generating machine that can potentially snowball. You make one video, it starts earning. Maybe you make another.
Exactly. It's scalable. It's almost like using YouTube as a highly efficient, targeted billboard for specific solutions.
Rather than trying to become a personality or an entertainer.
Completely different mindset. It's a system, not a stage.
A system for profit.
Ah.
So, the final thought for everyone listening has to be, what does this all mean for you? And maybe more importantly, where will you start scaling your first successful YouTube profit endeavor? Which path looks most interesting?